In the S25 series, Samsung S25 is the most compact and flagship mobile phone. In this video, you are going to see the unboxing of this mobile phone followed by my first initial impressions. I ordered this mobile phone from Amazon by exchanging my old mobile phone. Right now, the price is listed the same as MRP, which is 80,999 rupees. But there are times when this goes for close to 63,000 rupees. The good thing about all the S25 models is that they come with the base variant of 12GB RAM with 256GB of internal storage. This mobile comes with a 6.2-inch screen, which is smaller by today's standards compared to other mobiles. But the screen to body ratio is around 91.1%, which is good, I can say. After removing the seals, inside the box, first we get the mobile phone and a small box apart from that. Initial impressions, the mobile is very light. I can easily sense the difference. Inside the small box, we get the same stuff as other Samsung mobile phones. That includes the charging cable, SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. Let's come back to the mobile phone. This is very comfortable to hold in a single hand. This is the first time for me testing Samsung's small mobile phones. I'm coming from a situation where I used big mobiles from Samsung. That includes S20 FE, S21 FE, S23 FE and recently the S24 FE. First, let's check the weight of this mobile phone. This mobile doesn't come with any pre-applied screen protector. My weighing scale is showing 161 grams. I checked the weight of the Samsung S24 FE, it's 213 grams. I checked the other FE model, that's the S20 FE, it's 200 grams. Actually, for this mobile phone, I added a tempered glass and the battery is a little bulged inside, so maybe I'm thinking due to this the weight increased by a few grams. But anyways, this mobile is very light in weight. Coming to the overview, on the top we get the microphone, then on the right side we get the volume up and down buttons followed by the power button. On the bottom, SIM tray is there followed by a Type-C charging port, speaker grill and one more microphone. On the left side, nothing. I quickly opened the SIM tray. Let's see how it looks. This is a proper dual SIM slot. Do note that there is no microSD card option. I quickly set up this mobile phone. If in case you want to know how to set up a Samsung mobile ads free, check the video I already uploaded on this channel. If you want to know how to copy the data from an older Samsung to a new one, that video is also already uploaded. You can check that later. Trust me, this process saves a ton of time in setting up everything. Alright. I finished setting up this mobile phone. Actually, I copied the data from the older phone to this new one. Coming to the free storage, out of 256GB, 12% is used, that is around 32.7GB. There are some bloatware applications, but we can uninstall them easily. Now I'm going to click some photos with this mobile. Don't worry, I'll post a dedicated camera review after this video, so stay connected. These are the photos I took at different zoom levels. So these are all my first initial impressions and overview of the Samsung S25 mobile phone. My first impressions are very clear. I'm really liking this mobile phone in hand. I really like compact mobile phones. If you recall the previous S24 FE review, I mentioned that I could buy the S24 mobile, which is almost the same as the S25. Anyway, as the sales are approaching on Amazon and other sites, I'll try to post all the related videos of this mobile phone as soon as possible. Just for reference, I have been using this mobile from the past 1 month, so don't worry about the review. It's not going to be rushed. I have thoroughly checked each and everything on this mobile phone. You can check the other related videos of this mobile phone in the description box or at the end screen. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.